Hi everybody, just wanted to pop on to Facebook real quick and give you a little Jolt of Jnl. I just wanted to thank Brooke Gillespie Trout for her amazing energy tonight. We had a great time, and also to share with you this beautiful view off my balcony. You see so much lights and entertainment and positive energy, and you can see all the people driving in. Hi Shelby, hi Tammy. Love you guys. Today we made so many great memories. Today I got a chance to meet Brooke Gillespie Trout, one of our beautiful VIP sisters. You can see I'm just glowing with VIP positivity. I love our VIP group so much because no matter where you are or what you're doing, when you connect, you feel like you're just connecting on such a deep level. And we laughed and we talked and we went to this place called the Happy Place, which was awesome. Tammy, love you. Mwah, Shelby. And we're just building memories during this winter break in between, Christmas and New Year's. It's nice to, really reflect and see all of your successes. We even talked tonight, and I think you guys will agree. Some people say, 2019 was horrible. I just want 2019 to be over. On the contrary, I feel like being a VIP member, I'm kind of like reverse. And do you guys agree? I'm thinking, wow, how can we top 2019? It was such a great year. How can we make 2020 even better? So I'm going into the new year, the new decade, with gratitude, being grateful for my strong, healthy mind and body, being grateful for all of the doors that are opening up for us, and just our solid, beautiful friendships that we are growing and we're building. I feel like you can be a beam, like you see this beam of light right there? You can be a beam of light to others in the darkness and help them glow and grow more through you just lending a smile, a helping hand, a positive vibe. It's so important. Yes, 2020. Yes, you are. You are going to make everyone proud. You already make your parents proud. So be that beam of light. Shine bright. Why do you think people come here and want the view? Because they want to see the lights. So don't you ever dim your light for anybody. And if you want to cultivate a brighter light and you want to be among other lights, the JNL VIP online coaching program is where it's at. Because we can shine bright together, right? We can shine bright together. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off. Have a beautiful night and come back tomorrow at 8 a.m. I have my beautiful portable VIP workout area set up. Yes, isn't it cool that you can actually go anywhere and travel, and you can... And I traveled all day today. I was on a 5-hour flight. I woke up at so early, and I've been going, but I still have that glow. I'm feeling so excited about life and hope and positivity and a boosted mood. We've been healthy all day. We drank a lot of water. We walked a lot. We had our healthy fruit and vegetable juices, because it's all about cultivating that glow. All right, guys, so I love you so much. I'm going to sign off. Happy New Year to each and every one of you when it comes. And remember how blessed you are. I believe in you. Bye, guys. VIP power, and be the light that shines so bright. Bye, guys. Love you, Shelby.